I'm getting ready to hang this shelf right about here. But rather than screw it directly to the wall, I'm going to use the keyhole slots that are mounted on the back of each bracket. Now the challenge of using the keyhole slots is that the screws have to be precisely spaced apart from center to center, and of course they have to be level, otherwise the shelf won't be level. So here's how you do that. Take a level and put 2 pieces of tape on it, 2 small strips, and line them up with the center of the slot. And now mark the very center of each slot on the tape itself. Okay, so now we have the exact spacing of the slots. Then go back to the wall and adjust the level so the bubble is right in the center, so it's perfect level right there. And now you just transfer the marks on the tape onto the wall, so that's 1 small vertical line at each end of the level. And then you also need a level line right across the top of the level on the wall. So there you go. Perfect spacing and level. Just drive your screws right into those marks and your shelf will be level.